Hey guys, Jim here from Jim's Tech. So I'm travelling overseas soon and I needed a luggage scale so I could weigh my bags, make sure I don't go over, because no one likes paying excess baggage fees. So I found this Samsonite travel accessory. I bought it online from Bagworld in Australia and I paid $29 because it was on sale, down from $50. The scale's weighted to 40 kilograms max. I reckon they've got a user-friendly hook and auto off when you obviously flip it closed again, or if you don't use it for a while. So it's not going to be much of an unboxing because you can see through the packaging anyway. Now in the past I have actually purchased some cheaper Chinese branded ones off eBay and they were okay, but what I found with that one was I went to reuse it again after having it sit there for a while and it completely died on me. I even went and bought a new battery, but I had the same problem, so I thought, you know what, let's pay that little bit extra, get a slightly better one and see how good it is. So it's just a matter of opening it up. You'll see the hello. So you've got the on and tear, and you've got the unit of measurement, so you can do pounds or grams. So we've got a bit of sticky tape here, just peel that off. So it goes up in increments of 10 grams. I'm assuming the battery will be in here. Okay, so you've got your standard CR2032 battery. And once that clicks into place, turn it back on again, say hello, and let's give it a quick test. So I know that the UE Boom 2 it's gone to Oz, hold on. Okay, so we've got grams, pounds, Oz, kilograms. We'll go grams. This weighs 546 grams from memory. Okay guys, so I had to swap out the batteries, so we're running low. And what I had a look at is it takes two CR2032s, one on top of the other. Now, as I was saying before, the UE Boom 2 is 546 grams, so we'll go ahead and test it out. So see, it says hello, it's set to grams, pick it up. So 548, scale showing 550, very accurate. So other than obviously, the flat batteries, but then because they were in there and it was constantly draining, it's understandable that they'd go flat after a while. Having said that, they probably would have been better in the packaging if they'd put the batteries on the outside and let you manually install them. But I'm pretty happy with this. I reckon it was a good buy and it'll come in handy to save me excess luggage fees. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, please give a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.